How to delete Discord cache on PC. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, in the section of type here to search, you need to search for Task Manager. Once found, click on it. In this page, in Background Processes, search for the application Discord. You need to scroll down and search for it. Once you find it, do the right click on Discord app and then you need to click on End Task and then tap on OK. Once you have ended the task, it will also clear the cache. If not, the next thing you can also try doing is search for the run. And then you have to enter app data and then click on OK. It will open up the app data. Now you have to select roaming right over here. Inside roaming, you have to move into Discord. Now in this page, you have to select code cache, cache, and also GPU cache, and then do the right click on mouse. Now simply click on delete. And there you go, all of the cache of Discord has been deleted successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.